In this video, I am going to show you how to track a phone number location quickly and easily. Tracking a phone number can be useful for locating a lost phone, finding a friend's location, or ensuring the safety of loved ones. First, if you need to track your own lost phone, use built-in features like Find My iPhone for Apple devices or Find My Device for Android. Simply log into your Apple ID or Google account on another device and check the real-time location of your phone on the map. If you're trying to track someone else's phone with their permission, you can use location-sharing apps like Google Maps. Open Google Maps, tap on the profile icon, go to Location Sharing, and request access from the person you want to track. Once they share their location, you can see their live position on your map. For tracking an unknown number or verifying the location of a caller, you can use online services like Truecaller, Number Lookup, or White Pages. These services provide general location details based on the phone number's registration, but do not offer real-time tracking. If you're dealing with an emergency or a stolen phone, contact your mobile service provider or law enforcement. Carriers can track phone locations using cell towers, but this information is only available for legal and security reasons. That's it. You've successfully learned how to track a phone number location. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.